Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Then we got this one, which is one of these has you can lift it up, but there's a bunch of art space in there, but I don't know exactly which one that is. But we got all of our black and white tiles everywhere, and they used to have like opium museum, so I'm not sure why it changed exactly. And that's on Rua dos Loucos, but we're gonna come in briefly. So that's basically the Praça. Okay, so we're gonna head down this way. Okay, so this is called Praça de Ponte e Horta, and I'm going to basically walk down this way and then down this way. Give you a little context, there's a park right here called Sunsun Park. Got a hotel down this way, Hotel S and London Hotel, so this is actually a place where tourists can stay. Got some pretty nice artwork down these alleys a little bit, but this particular focus is going to be on this black and white tiled way going down this plaza right here. Praça de Ponte e Horta. I think Praça and Horta is vegetable garden and something like that. But we're gonna explore and go around the corner and show some of the artwork off along the way. And you're gonna see a lot more of this in a moment. So, okay, just to give some further context before we go down this way, you can also go up this way, and this goes up to Soundcloud Square and kind of the historic Portuguese area. Where we're at now, my understanding is this used to be ocean. So back when this was more fully Portuguese, this would have been in the ocean, and then now in now it's more. Sorry, I was just saying thank you to the. I was just in that restaurant on the corner there, so I was just acknowledging him, saying thanks for the meal. So we're gonna go down this way. I'll also describe what's across the way down that way as well. But before we go down, we have some cool artwork on the walls. We got more artwork down this way, and there's more over on that side too. But we're gonna go down in here briefly. This connects to another street, and we got more artwork. You can see some of that. I'll just go down briefly just to show you that this connects into other streets. And they got more artwork down here all along these walls. So this whole area has some nice artwork. I might actually film this one later. Named after a Portuguese sort of padre. Okay, so let's keep on going down. So we got more of our artwork over here. And then we got this one, which is one of these has you can lift it up, but there's a bunch of art space in there, but I don't know exactly which one that is. But we got all of our black and white tiles everywhere. We're gonna head on up that way. That's where we just came from. Pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do in a moment is go up into the plaza itself. So we're gonna head on up. Now we're up in the plaza. Those are those hotels. This is the S Hotel and then the London Hotel over there. And then you got some artwork right in the middle. I think this one is think it's like a small library. So we're gonna head down this way. And you got the Plaza to the right. And you got the black and white tiles throughout this area as well. And we're gonna go all the way down to the end and we'll show you what's on the other side. Okay, let me see. So right over there, you can see something called caixa de, in Portuguese. It's basically a, boats can go in and out of there. So I'm just gonna come over here real quick. And you can see there's ocean and then there's some old things from the dock as well. So let me go down briefly. And then our street is right here. So I'm just gonna highlight that real quick. Right there. Praça de Ponte e Horta. I'm just gonna go down around the corner real quick. So yeah, there's basically like kind of port stuff that goes all the way down, and they're actually doing some big changes here. So in the future we'll see what that's all gonna look like. So it's like Ponte 10, Ponte 9. And there's actually some art stuff in those areas as well. I'll have to get over there and film that another time, but this is gonna be our focus right here. There we go. So this is still all of our Praça. And you can also see more of these, all the way down is like ponds. There's a hotel, but then that's basically all of the bridges and such. And then this yellow building right here, that used to have an opium reference. But now I think it's a medical clinic. But for a while you can see old stuff. And they used to have like opium museum, so I'm not sure why it changed exactly. And that's on Rua dos Loucos. But we're gonna come in briefly. And we're just gonna continue to highlight our Praça. It is kind of cool with all the yellow buildings. Oh, they painted it. This one right here, Rua do Bocage, used to have this beautiful painting right here. So I think they're going to create something new shortly. Yeah, that was that I used to see that painting in a lot of different things, and now it's no longer there. So we're still on our Praça de Ponte e Horta. Ponte is a bridge. And then the other is a vegetable garden. Okay, so we're gonna step out this way. See, it looks like they're doing the whole new thing, the Hotel S. This had all kinds of artwork that was similar to that building right there. So I don't know if it changed hands. You can see some artwork inside that looks pretty cool. So, okay. So I guess it's they're painting it anyways, and we'll see what it looks like later. So let's come on out. And I guess we'll go up this way again. Now we got back to our so that's basically the Plaza. Okay, so we're gonna head down this way. This is for the foot. So yeah, so this, I think the reclaimed land starts right about there. So everything that's down here would be the, I don't know what year they would have built it, maybe 100 years ago already. They reclaimed the land in this particular spot. You wouldn't even think about it, except that it's so different here than it is just up that way. And you got some kind of interesting buildings in this space too. Okay. So let me just kind of see here. So that was basically where we started at, right there. And then this is the Praça, and this is actually the street, Rua de Ponte e Horta. And we're just gonna go down briefly, and you can see some more of the same artwork. And I'm just gonna go down a little bit more because there's more artwork to see. It's like a Bart Simpson skull, tiny little bike. And then in this space, there's more artwork as well down this alley. Is that a Filipino one? But yeah, there's this one right here is well photographed. So yeah, this is another little traversa. I have filmed in this one before, and there's artwork down here, and then that building that they painted, I guess they'll do all new artwork on that one. That'll be interesting to see. Let me just walk down just a little bit more. So anyways, that's Sunsun Park. This goes into some other stuff as well, kind of like the other side that we saw. And then we're going to show this one here. More artwork here. This is the wall that was all painted, but now it's all different. And then this one is some artwork by a Portuguese artist. He has artwork all over the city, and you can see that he does a jackhammer, chisels into it, so you can see the face there, which looks pretty cool. And on that note, we'll end it for Sunsun Park. It's part of Macau. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.